Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Godzilla Store Odaiba, the fourth Godzilla specialty store in Japan, is the largest in the world in terms of floor space, and inside the store you will be greeted by a 2-meter statue of Godzilla from the movie Shin Godzilla. Did you know that Godzilla is officially a citizen of Japan? It's true, and he more than deserves it for being one of the country's most world-famous characters. Since 1954, Godzilla has been captivating the world across many forms of media, and his name and visage are recognizable by nearly everyone. In over 60 years, Godzilla has gained fans from all over the world and remains a constant part of Japanese pop culture and, for some tourists, a reason to travel across the world to visit Japan. While Godzilla merchandise and goods are available at a lot of stores in Japan, Diver City Odaiba has an entire store dedicated to the King of Monsters. Godzilla Store Tokyo is a permanent shop that has every kind of Godzilla merchandise you could ever want, and even some for his other monster friends as well. If you love Godzilla, this shop is for you, and even if you aren't the biggest fan of him, it's still a fun place to drop by if you find yourself in Diver City Odaiba. Plus, what kind of trip to Japan is it without paying a little homage to its biggest resident? For any big Godzilla fans, a trip to Diver City Odaiba wouldn't be complete without seeing the huge Godzilla statue. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Godzilla is such a huge part of Japanese pop culture for so many people that it's only natural for there to be a fun permanent store dedicated to him right in the heart of Odaiba. Whether you're just curious or a die-hard fan looking for the perfect memorabilia, Godzilla Store Odaiba is worth checking out. At the very least, it has a lot of cool and interesting things to see, and you never know what kind of thing you might find to buy that you never knew you needed. Godzilla Store Odaiba has something for every fan of Godzilla and for every budget. The shop is lined with clothing from simple t-shirts to shiny tsukajin or souvenir jackets. A lot of the clothes have awesome traditional ukiyo-e artwork with Godzilla as a special edition. There are also usually some clothes that are based on the various Godzilla films that have released over the years. Please do watch our other Tokyo Japan playlist. Plus, there are always some items that have Mothra and Ghidorah, too. The souvenir jackets are especially flashy and eye-catching with their bright colors, big designs, and silky fabric, but they don't come cheap. For true fans, though, they make a great souvenir.
Very beautiful.
If you want something a little more subtle and budget-friendly, Godzilla Store Odaiba also has lots of small goods for sale like folders, magnets, keychains, notebooks, stickers, and more. Some have the name of the shop, but most are general Godzilla goods. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. There are also mobile accessories like phone cases and portable chargers along with charge cables, and even some Godzilla toys. On the flip side, if you have a lot of money you're happy to dedicate to the King of Monsters, you can pick up one-of-a-kind collectibles like figurines and sometimes high-quality jewelry. If you're familiar with the Japanese tradition of gift-giving for friends and co-workers when you travel, then you won't be surprised to also see a lot of boxes of snacks at Tokyo Godzilla store, cookies, rice crackers, chocolates. And sometimes even curry can be purchased with Godzilla artwork on the box and sometimes even on the treats. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Even if you don't have a Japanese office to take these snacks back to, they're a fun and affordable souvenir to take home. Some even come in a collectible box you can keep even after the snacks are history. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.